Okay, folks, the S23, I think I showed it to you earlier on my channel. Man, this car, when he got this car in, it was a rust bucket. All the trunk gutters were rusted out. Around the back window was all rusted out. Quarters were rusted out. Fenders were rusted out. Floor was rusted out. Front windshield around the windshield frame was rusted out. And look at this thing now. He's been working on it a couple of years. And I kind of like the black hood. He ran out of red paint and he wanted to get some paint on it. But got a big block in it now. It was a 318 car.
It was a factory 383 before.
Oh, factory 383. Okay. And so when he got it, it had a 318 in it. But it's a 70?
It's 1970 Sport Fury.
1970 Sport Fury.
S23 model.
S23. And looks like he's got someone interested in this car also. Oh man, I cannot believe that you can't buy these panels. He had to make all this stuff. Gary is an outstanding metal crafter. He's done several cars for me. He really does a good job. I'm going to miss him. He's retiring. I'm going to miss him. Claire, I am.
Getting the high seas.
He's done. Yeah, he's bought a sailboat. Said he's going to become a pirate. So I don't know about that, but I think he's had enough, and he wants to enjoy the rest of his years. So he's bought him a sailboat. And guys that are loading up the Charger right now. He's got a sports satellite sitting up here. He's trying to sell. I bought a bunch of stuff from him today. I got a trailer and truck full. I wanted to buy this 69 Fury, but it belongs to one of his customers, and the guy has not decided he wants to sell it yet. It's a shame. I'd like to have that car, but it's a pretty cool car. It's a 318 car, but I'll put a big block in it probably. But man, if you've seen this car when it came in, it was green, rusted out quarters, trunk gutters, windows, doors, fenders, floors. This is one of those cars everybody's just was, oh, you can't believe. And you can't get parts for these things. So he actually took, I think, 72 New Yorker parts and made them fit, formed the parts, shaped them, molded them, cut, spliced, welded them, everything back together. So it can be done if you have the talent and the knowledge, folks. A lot of cars on my channel, people say that thing's too rough. I bet this one here was about as rough as they get. All right, folks, there you have it. Looks like it's going to a new home also.